he muthuri murata bitu muno ana runyitagirira ginya maundu-ini maria twina maundu rasani wi mafest na maria mangi wito murage wake
wa modern furniture
no yakiuga furniture auga murage wa modern furniture Pacific yes and he's a blessed man ni akiendagia edge furniture.
He's a good man Murage.
Yes maundu mamwe tuona kou kwa murage wa modern furniture Pacific ri kiria gituma mundu eihurio gathie kou ukauga murage likiraine nori na ndirauga semi no ni kule semi likiraine ndehingukaga
ti semi
furu likiraine 7 seater ndiragirira ki ni uria tureretwo na mathina maria twana kona mutuge the handu mundu angiuna ki
angiuna iru tiganya kine
tondu guikara likiraine tikuna iru we ai
eri ku no guikara
ona nigo tamburukia iru
hau no gutamburukia
ndo hingura no kamikomera ukona kwaja TV uko ni mountito ruthingo-ini ni mwaigana yes na likenya nacio ni ciendaga mundu ambambata no ko ni wikinyeirie ki mondo no space
ni da space
sitting here nini ri no cigiranie ta dovetail joint
kana ugakoraga imwe ndingihinguka so ni buroketwo ni kindu kingi
ni wahingura imwe ri riu ni wa seal sitting Iswetu kurari there were very few homesteads in the rural area kuria DB kwari na kindu kingitwo sofa set amwe twakura twarahuka na twagia miaramano nithu twacoka na mucie kugura ki
sofa
yes tondu we urioreretwo you see it was as basic as this aremari na metha na metha icio ngacia ina club mentality to yako ndaihu yathondekero cina tabu
no ni mabundi aria mari kuo hindi yo
muthongo angiokire ri angiacirie mwe counter na metha yako njarie igatumirwo sturu seti ya koro sturu ici
ithathatu
aria mekinyeria bia matumirwo sturu cigana
inyanya
cikaguthwo for maika ina ihua na for maika ndaigagirirwo kindu kihiu
asa
pana yes leu thoguo ri well there was not much difference between you and your father tondu kirekaga ni kumaki yake na kengia thire oguo for Mike hane teronu kari ni mwahoranagirio
ni akuhorania nengi itari nyambuku
tithoguo akunywa hau igwa
kana mutarurire gutho
yes uwo kageni ri wamenya ni abata lituru icio ciigiriro gatambaya which was a very useless gesture
ungathire kundu ageni wone thituru mwarirwo gatambaya keho ka mauthi na no gakunika kiondo ri
yes no gakunika kiondo na iria waikirio riu
acio ni ageni VVIP
yes never mind goikarira guo giukira ni karo ka na makiumagara waiwa ni wangendo yote sokiria gitambaya kia tae fungo
kia muhuko wa thutha ni kia huka gitambaya
we muthuri wera iro stage na gitambaya kiende kine gia kwa my sister moko maneane mwathi aduka mukero we gitambaya kianyu. You see, the other people there were homes that had no furniture. Zero furniture. Actually, nyumba ri tractor ya nyumba niyo yaruta agite. From the structure of the house, hakagucio ethingo, hagakirio ki bito na ikejerwo thi, hakaru mithanduku iria ina smooth end, iria ta ina kiria. The knot is called what? Gudo. Ikarorio thi, riu ha smooth ri, that is now you are reclining.
Itare na hook.
Yes, itare na hook yo. Riu yo ni recliner ke?
Yanyu.
Yes. You have no furniture completely. The only furniture you have is a bed. Wo gene muikarire yo.
Murakaria nyumba.
Kana tumiform tuho twari ho. They came in all sizes. Ni twagura gono tu ni twari riri. Wakora tukunikaneirio mukuyu. Atuonaga kira. Tukunikaneirio ta non-stick.
Na sizes. Kanini. Kanene.
Kiria kinene muno within that arrangement, I think yari 4-seater. Tona kio kiara ihe muno ne kia na issue na
stability. Na no na furo ya nyuti even.
Yes.
Tonde kire gutikire gukoroge.
Na itecio mwagurari. They used to be the color of wood. Uria paini to sitia haka go in polish kana bani. They were just raw timber. Ikaregerero haho guo. Kuguru mweno ya nake.
Enda mweno uyu.
Yes. Mwasi inyia we gadue cia ruta ako buraki.
Na ikanyoroka.
Mwasi urara na
guo. Ino akoraga te kanyorokete. Nagakaira.
Kahenia. Kwanja kare matha oya akari ikori. Weka ukena activity. Okay.
Actually, that was the busiest.
No, that was. You don't get the kianda never. And there was a reserve yado guo. Keu atare kuo kiaruga magio ruthingo.
Ruthingo ini.
Oka. Githia gate.
Gatirorio ruthingo ini na akaigirwo.
Yes. Na inyu age mukane ori the 4-seater.
Muraganire ho. Kana uikarire uru ikarire were rumwe.
Yes.
Eri mokire mwena uri ungi.
Ni wera kora watu kana mabosho. Kana ukagwira gaca utone kare he ori ko ni undu wa heho. No, that is the only furniture some people had. There are some people makurete. They have never sat down. Makinyira dirisha. We were literally down to
earth.
Yes. What do you call jabuno ya uthigitho?
Sarding.
Sarding paper. Memere.
Naguo. Na kio kiria riu kia kararia maundu mothe.
Yes.
Giatwaragwo Njoku.
Njoku. Eka downgrade o maguru. Nigetha ke increase ke stability. Tono ground clearance low. Riu kihana Ferrari.
Eka rutwo space ha.
Eka rengwo thibiri. And you know, people had become experts how we can write this. They would even sit on them. Matato in motion.
Kwaja. Bika fuiria ciarĩ cia hamari.
Yes.
Gĩtĩ kĩarĩ bench.
Yes.
That bench.
Kwaja yana yana rĩu mathiko. Waikaraĩra bench icio na bench nĩ ciathimagwo ngari. Iria ciathimagwo ngari ciakorwo mũno kanitha. They would fit. And it was one car. So they knew the dimensions. Waigua mahũrĩte nderema gudu. Of course they were the demigod family. Magũraga gĩtĩ kĩrĩa kĩahana skeleton ya sofa set. Kia mbao.
That was skeleton.
Kia mũkĩma. Na mbaa kũgũra kĩu weteire mbeca cia cushion.
Iwamba kugura skeleton yo nyene.
Yes.
Ikaba ikaigwo nyumba.
Na ndwamba kugura cushion wagura giti, wamba riu gutumira gitamba.
Gitamba.
So that you can hide its nakedness. Riu mundu umethera Nairobi no aikaragira hau werekereirie. Okay, where the landing was not
smooth.
You have landed on rugged terrain. Aywa. Du, kaiwa. Hey. Oi, sorry. Getire muta. Na muto wagura wona guo. Instead, ya thoguo.
Agora go in faces.
Yes.
Agora ritarire kahua kariho.
Yes.
Ukona thoguo ni umagara. Ni okana miuto eno.
Okana miuto yohetwo
na gogo.
Na ba oke atari cushion kitondu.
Itari kaba. Urio muto mutheri.
Muto cio waja ire ku necessitate kaba. Wajia riu kuninwo ni mbia ta ndarwa na nyau.
Na ihe.
Yes.
Curiosity ya ihe.
Ihe kiria ciekaga ri. Ne matiahota ku separate meciria ma muto uyu na mugate. So their wild imaginations and fantasies would propel them to taste.
Tanuka ikaigua ndiratanukeka.
Ndio makinyire kuigurira kindu gitwa butterfly. Umenye butterfly ri. Kugura butterfly meant one thing, that you have a house that has no basic challenges. Tatutambi. Tondu gogo ni nacio cingĩingĩrie kĩu gĩtĩ.
Nĩ ikũmũnyarira.
Gogo ni nda. Manyenje meho.
Nginya mbĩa.
Yes. Mbĩa nĩ kaka tondu nyau nayo nĩ yaciaragira kũu rungu. Let me tell you. Twaingĩra kwa mũrage wa Modern Furniture Pacific. Tukauga ndirauga atiriri ikiraine no
7 seater
ndiramenda gwakwa mebri na yuke na methe no coffee table na woro unit
oguo ihana.
Yes. Nethe no letwa ni kuruma na tumivomu tu. No watuika very helpless. You see, hango wakinya kugwa ni we iridima.
No nginya othie.
You prepare the landing.
Ela kenda na vote